but I will be waiting to hear back from you so that we can always keep up with the products that you would like to know more about. Okay? Now, hello everyone. My name is Gina, and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our IPSY Glam Bag for the month of December. This is the last one of the year. I've already put out the questionnaire to you. You still have time to vote. Let me know if we're going to continue with IPSY or if we're going to move on to the Ice Cream Beauty. Well, I didn't mean to tell you what the name of it was, but if we're going to move on to something else, okay? So, for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave all the information down below, and that way, if you decide that you would like to try it out for yourself, or if you want to get more information, you can do so right there. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into our December IPSY Glam Bag. Okay, now this is the only IPSY slash BOXYCHARM slash Icon package that still comes with a description. Actually, Icon does, but this one is the one that comes with a description card, so we can really get the information about what's inside the bag. Okay, now each month, of course, as I stated, we do have the information card, but we also get a bag, and this month's bag looks like this. Rather festive, don't you think? I think so too. It's sequins. It's not, actually it's shimmery. It's not sequins, because with sequins you can move your hand and it would shift colors, but that is not what this one does. Okay, so our theme for this month is "You're the Main Attraction." Okay, and it gives us more information about the mega drop shop and things like that. But it says, step into the world of beauty under the big top, where wonders await, from spotlight stealing looks to spectacular surprises. It's your time to shine in the glammiest show on earth. So catch it before it leaves town. Now, that may sound familiar to you. That's because that's the same information that we received in our last BOXYCHARM box of the year. Okay, so the first item that we have when we unzip our bag. Okay, so I kind of felt like I needed to come in a little closer to you, or even come up a little higher, so that's why your screen looks a little different. But the very first item that we have, let me remind you that in our IPSY Glam Bag, we get deluxe samples, travel sizes or trial sizes, things like that, or even just regular samples. Okay, every now and then we do get some full-size products, but just wanted to remind you of that when I show you the first item that we have, which is this one right here. And this is by Tarte Shape Tape, and this is the orange corrector. Okay, orange corrector in orange. Okay, and it says, neutralize dark under eyes and discoloration with the help of this creamy color corrector. It's long-lasting, full coverage, and packed with hyaluronic acid to help hydrate your under eye area. Okay, this one is a deluxe sample, but if you were to get the full size, the manufacturer suggested retail price for a 6 milliliter size is $20. Okay, now for us here on this channel, we swatch at the end so we don't get makeup all over everything. But I am checking for some other information for you. Now, this one has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so from the time we open it, we have 12 months to get the best benefits out of the usage here. Okay, and so that one is item number 1. Then item number 2 is also a deluxe sample, and this is by the company IPSY. All right, and this is the Hydra Glow and Energizing Green Tea Eye Masks. Okay, and it says tea or coffee. Enjoy the benefits of both. This eye mask contains an expertly crafted blend of green tea extract and caffeine with cucumber extract plus allitation, hello hydration, to visibly invigorate your under eye area. Now, as I stated, this is a deluxe sample, but if you were to get the full size of this, okay, which would be a 4 count. Now, I'm gathering a 4 count is going to be 4 sets, not 2 sets, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price would be $20. Now, okay, it says these are cruelty-free, and I'm checking for an expiration date or best if used by, and I do not necessarily see one. But they are considered a Hydro Glow and Energizing Green Tea Eye Mask, and one counts as 2 patches, okay? One for your left, one for your right eye, okay? So, not bad. This one is item number 2. I do like IPSY products. They are a little expensive, but they work wonderfully. All right, so then the next item that we have is a deluxe sample as well, and this one is the Gold Fatten MD Lip Therapy, and it says instantly boost, hydrate, and condition your lips with help from this antioxidant rich lip treatment. It helps revitalize with an enriched blend of powerful moisturizers and a multi-active peptide complex. Okay, now if you were to get the full size, which would be 15 milliliters, the price would be $40. Now this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Now this one does not tell me if it is a cruelty-free product or not. Now the deluxe sample is a 4 milliliter size or 0.14 fluid ounces. Okay, so that's this one right here. Y'all know I like to look inside of the tubes. It's not quite full, okay, but it is what it is nonetheless. Then the next item that we have is by Manicadar Cosmetics, okay? And this is what the outside packaging looks like on this. And this is the Diamond Dust Roll-On Pigmented Shadow, and it's in the shade Enhanced. It says, this highly pigmented roll-on shadow in a bronze shade gives you mess-free application and can be used as an eyeshadow, a highlighter, or a lip topper. It's formulated with minerals to soothe skin and provide long-lasting color all day long. All right, now it says this one is a full-size product. So let me show you what that product actually looks like. Okay, and this is the product right here. All right, now it says this one has a 12-month shelf life as well, and it is a PETA friendly product. All right, This one is a 2.5 gram size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $14. Okay, now I do like this shimmery looking shade. I definitely do. So we'll be swatching this one in a few moments, okay? Then the last item that we have is by the company Jurlique, all right? And this is the Softening Body Lotion in Rose. And it says, luxurious roses are the signature ingredient in this indulgent body lotion, providing the floral and soothing fragrance. It's also enriched with macadamia seed and avocado oils for extra hydration, and it is quickly absorbed, leaving your skin velvety soft and radiant. Okay, this one is a deluxe sample size as well. So this, of course, is the outside packaging. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. And this is a 1 fluid ounce size. And it has a, let's see what kind of shelf life. Well, it's not giving me a shelf life, but it is giving me an expiration date, which is April 2025. So you have a full year and 4 months to use this in full or get the best benefits out of it, okay? I do like. Oh, and yes, it does smell like roses. Very nice, very nice. Okay, we're just going to put a little dab on so we can see. It's got a very nice texture to it. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Definitely a lot of rose going on, okay? It really smells like the rose oil, you know, and that is really heavy on it. And it says it softens, protects, and restores. For best results, use after showering or bathing, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you, if you're anything like me, this is going to go after one shower or bath and it'll be gone. Okay, I'm just saying, I'm just being honest, because I am one of those going overboard with lotion, moisturizer. Love it, okay? But it does have a very, very nice scent. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price, should you get the full size, which would be 300 milliliters, is $43, okay? Now, let's see. 300 milliliters. This one is a 30 milliliter size, and this is 1 fluid ounce. So if it were 300 milliliter size, it would be a 10 fluid ounce size. So that's not bad. That's a nice size bottle. Now, I have another lotion sitting on my desk, which is actually this one right here. This is 10 fluid ounces, okay? So you can imagine this in this size, and this is what you would be spending $43 for. Now, okay, so we've checked it out. Talked about the products that are here, but like I said, we do swatches in the end. So I'm sure I don't have to swatch the corrector, okay, because we all know it's orange, and this is Shape Tape. So we've used shape tape correctors before when we've done our under eye here on this channel, so we've seen what the texture of that is. However, this one right here we've never done, so let's just check it out and see. All right, now there is no color on the top at all. So it may take, I was going to say it may take a little bit for it to come out, but no. That, oh my Lord. Look at that. And I just took and rolled it across. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Okay. Not bad. Let's see. Where's my lip brush? I'm just going to take a little bit off of here and I'm going to put it on top of my lipstick. Wow. What do you think? It's beautiful as a lip topper. I'm sure it's gorgeous as a highlighter. Let's flip it over and I'm just going to put a little bit right here on the nose. Okay. I didn't want to walk around, you know, beaming like a certain kind of reindeer this time of year. So what do you think? Let me know down below your thoughts, okay? Now, also, let me know if your box or bag looks like mine. And by the bag, I'm not talking about the outside. I'm talking about the contents. If the products that you received are like mine and we just happen to be IPSY twins this month, let me know down below. I would love to know what you received in yours. Okay? Well, I am pleased, so to speak, about the items that we received for what they are, you know, the deluxe samples and then the one full-size product. I do like we received a lip treatment, a corrector, the eye masks, our lotion, and then of course our topper or our eyeshadow, our roll-on by Manica Dar. Okay, so I definitely do like the items that I received, and I'm sure this eyeshadow will go a very, very long way. Now, this being in my purse will go much further than just using it right after a shower. Okay, so of course, well, thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox our last IPSY Glam Bag of 2023. These are the items that we received, and if they were the full size product, this is what the total would be down below. Okay, now, as I stated, this is the last bag of 2023. Don't forget, the option is yours as well to say if we want to continue with this one. Remember, I told you that there's a price hike coming. All right, we already had one and yet they're talking about another, so just be on the lookout. But I will be waiting to hear back from you so that we can always keep up with the products that you would like to know more about. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, okay? Share and share alike, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.